So, hello guys, today we are back here with a new unboxing. So, here we have today a new racket, we can say a badminton racket, which are for intermediate players, or you can say who are starting for new. It's not for them, they can buy a lot category of any other brand, but this is the pair racket which I haven't choose. So it's of the Voltric series. So try Voltric system. It's the voltage system. So it's from Yonex. So let us see what they have in the package. So the back quality is so good. It has cushion inside. You can see this is the racket. First we can keep the racket aside. Now see, you can see right here that the bag has cushion substance. This good quality bag. I like very much about the bag. So let's go on into our racket. So the racket is from Yonex, and here you can see the Yonex branding. So it's not duplicate, and I haven't already looked about it. So it is the G4 grip. So the G4 grip means is you can say it 3.25 inches grip. It's good. It's for every player to catch. It's very good, and the full body is made up of graphite. So it makes the racket so light. So it grams only 78 grams. You can see with the help of the strings it goes like 79 or 80 sometimes, but its full body is like 74 grams, and with strings it goes like 78 or 77 grams. So the tensions for this is to 20 lbs to 30 lbs. So basically an intermediate player can use like 25 to 26, or if they want more they can use, or advanced players also can use up to 29 if they want. So they can use up to 27 to 29. That's very good for them. So it's just the demo strings. If you change the strings, then means you'll get a better performance. So here we have some specifications that the head size is 95.5 square inches. So head shape is isometric shape. So it's like here square type. So it's not different, and it's inbuilt T-joint, which gives the racket very controlled and combined solid sitting feel and quick swing. So for this T-joint you will get a quick swing power and increased subtle stability. So it is manufactured from a special lightweight plastic combined with epoxy resin and foaming agent that enhances quality and performance by increasing the stability of the shuttle of the string bed and through the air. So means it's so good that if you shot any thing means the shuttlecock with it, then it will create a very good performance for you. So it's about the racket. So next we have like built-in T-joint is it's the same thing which I've been talking. So it's G4 grip. Nothing is about here. Let me keep it in fair camera. Okay, no problem. It's 20.5 inches high, and beam width is 20.5 mm. So what I'll say about 20 mm, it's simple. You can say 665 mm also its height. So there's nothing special. So it's nothing else to say. This is a very good quality racket and very lightweight because it's graphite. Just you need to keep in mind that it's not aluminium and steel, so it could break. If you use it nicely, then it will not get broken, and if you use it worst way, then it would get broken. Just keep your things like you care for them. That's my unboxing and review for the Yonex Voltric Lite 25i. So I suggest you to buy if you are intermediate, and I suggest to buy if you are an beginner, because it's very good for intermediate and of course for beginners. For beginners it is more better than what do you think, because if beginners will shot slow, then it'll go fast. So there's nothing to talk about. It is the best racket I haven't seen in this range. It's like I haven't bought for 2500. You can get it as low as possible, how much you want to get. Sometimes the price tag is increasing or decreasing, it doesn't matter. So this is about the racket. So this was the video about. So if you liked it, then subscribe to my channel, like the video, and that's all for today. Thank you so much.